Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up an FNA project in no time. Let's go. Click download, get the latest release, open up this link in the description, download the .NET 8 SDK and Visual Studio if you haven't, get Mono as well. Then you want to click in here, get the latest CI, download the FNA libs. Now, once that we've done that, we can go and create a new folder. I'm going to call it FNA stuff because it's easier. Next, you want to actually create a folder for the FNA libs, but first let's extract FNA. Boom, FNA libs, take that, make a new folder. FNA libs, you want to open up that, copy, paste. Next, you want to go in Visual Studio and create a new solution. Alright, next you want to do console app. Next, FNA tutorial, for instance, it should be in the same folder as your FNA stuff. Use .NET 8, really important. Then you want to move this folder FNA libs inside of FNA tutorial. Then you want to open up the developer PowerShell. That's right there. And open up this. There's a link in the description with this. Copy and paste it inside of here. Double click, by the way, here. Next, you want to go in program.cs and paste a sample. It'll be in the description as well. And now the last thing that you really have to do is just add it to the solution. So you're going to type this, put it in here, reload, boom. There you go. Brand new project. And if we execute it, we get a beautiful little window. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. This was a pain. See ya.